Well, good evening again to the Hippie Hovel, Hippie Homebrew. I was going to go a live stream as I've done in the past, but apparently YouTube doesn't let you do that anymore. There's among other things that they've stopped you doing, so not a happy bunny indeed. So here we go. I'll just do it on my phone. Just record on my phone. So today we're making a Cooper Stout. We're going to hop it, cascade. I'm going to put half of that tub in, it's 50 grams. Going to add a bit of flavour and a bit of some dark malt extract, extra dark malt extract. Just using the usual own brand Cooper's yeast that came with it. I've already put the tub in very hot water for the last 15 minutes, so it'll be nice and soft, able to pour. So let's do that first. First of all, it's all sanitised, ready to go. What I'll do first, as I normally do, is just put a bag of sugar in the bottom, which lets the sticky stuff a bed to sit on. Don't worry about sterilising that at the moment because you're going to put your boiling water into that anyway. So get the tin, put the hot water, tin opener, steep it in there. So let's open this up. As usual, anything that touches your wort or your brew has to be sanitised, so this tin opener was sanitised there. I'll give you a wee look at this before I open it up. Pretty crude work good night on the camera, the phone. So you see it should be nice and runny. Which it is. Still a bit thick, mind you. I need to get the spoon in there and hoik it out, as they say in Scotland. Hoik. That means help it along. So that's not too bad. So I'll just kind of stop the flow of this at the moment. Right. I'm going to get some of my boiling water, put it in there. And then put the rest of my boiling water in there. One and a half litres. 1.5 litres of boiling water. I'll get my paddle. I need to change hands, I'm left-handed. Excuse the crude camera work. It would have been crude live streaming anyway, but in order to save me setting up my studio equipment and lights and stuff, this is what you have to settle for. Well, I've still set up a studio light, but got to have some form of professionalism, even though everyone else isn't. That's all melted in together as it is now, so it's pretty good. Now it's time to, well, make a mess. Stir around the rest of the stuff in there. It'll still be on the sides and whatever, so you need to get as much out as possible. It's all extra flavour that you could be losing there if you don't do this. when it goes. Quite clean. You taster. So I'll need to put these down now while I cut open my extra dark malt extract. Put you back where these work. How's that? Right. Scissors are also sterilised. Well, not sterilised, sanitised. Okay, I'll just cut the lid off of that there. I'll slowly add it, stirring constantly. I'm adding it to my hand and all it. It does always clump in here to a certain degree. Just try and get the smallest clumps possible. That's what I get for being left-handed and purely fist it. Right, that's all good. Let me just finish it up. Smells delicious. It really does smell nice. So apart from yeast, that's our ingredients. Give it a good mix, yeah. Get all that dark malt extract. You can see the colour of it, man. It's delicious stuff. What I'm going to make this with, hold on a minute here. What I'm going to make this with is that distilled water. Makes a difference to the taste. Since I bought that distiller, put it in a couple of whiskies, the distilled water, and what a difference to the nice malt distilled water makes. So I thought, and looking at the amount, you'll see a video back on my Hoppy Hippie channel here. The amount of disgusting crap that's in your drinking water after a couple of runs of that stuff, it's disgusting. And it stinks, so I'd never drink water out the tap again, excuse me. Never drink out the tap again without it being distilled. So let's add the water in. Let's see if that's the one I filled the kettle with. Unfortunately you're left to watch me doing this stuff. How's my angle? Alright. You're left with me to watch the day. It's normally when I was doing a normal video you'd be cutting this out and editing it later on, but you're stuck with the warts and all. I'm sure you don't mind that every so often. So this is, what date we are here? Saturday the 13th, is it? 14th? Saturday 14th of March 2020. There's a bit of a thing happening around the world at the moment. Bit of can't say the word on this, so I'll cut this off as well. It's a wee bit of an over exaggeration, I dare say. But there we go, that's my opinion as well on that as well. We've got just under 10 litres. I might not just have enough for the 23, although I could use whatever's distilling at the moment. Not the hot, mind you, so it's what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the hops at this stage as well, so as it ferments the whole time. A lot of people just add it 5 days into the fermentation, leave it there 3. Then I like it the whole process hopped. The longer the hops are in it, the better. And I feel Cascade works really well with this stuff. And still it keeps coming. Temperature wise, we're 22 degrees, so I need to keep it like that. Don't want to go much cooler than that, to be honest. I'm not going to have to distill it here and now so that it stops running, because I might add a wee bit of the hot water into it. That's 23, so it might be alright. 15 litres. I can't do a live stream anymore from mobile. I have to do it by webcam or PC. Utter tosh. I'm not happy about that at all. The rights are getting whittled away on a daily basis. Another day, another lack of something you can do. Is anybody needing the toilet yet? Listening to all this running water. Have we start? We are 23 yet. So I'll be able to use all my distilled water for this, which is good. Another bottle should do it there. So quiet. The Hoppy Hippie hounds were running riot a minute ago there, so they've crashed and burnt. The Hoppy Hippie hounds. Right, so that's enough liquid in there. 23 degrees, which is okay, it's a degree higher than what I normally. That's fine. I'll take a wee hydrometer reading here. See what we've got. Should be 1.040. Two, 3, 4.2, 0.4, 6, 1.046, and that should be about 6%. There we go. Not bad. That's because the extra D&E was in it as well, gives it a bit of extra sweetness. Put that back into the solution there. So, I'll add yeast and then I'll add the Cascade. Job done. It was, you must get bored of me saying that. It is really that easy. But it is. There we go. Cooper's brewing yeast. Got a little mix through, because it isn't sitting on the foam. get it all in the wort. There we go. That's good. Give me a wee look at that. Okay. Each cell mixed 22, between 22 and 24, so it's 23. Just in case you want to see that. Right, so just out the solution as well. What I'll do is I'll just give the lid a bit of solution also. What solution am I using at the moment? Star Sand. I think that's something else we're not allowed to use anymore. Another piece of our freedom gone. Can't use Star Sand. The European government says it's got something in it that we can't use anymore because we're so protected, you big boys. I'll use this stuff. This is the oldest stuff. I'm making a beer after this, so I'm just going to use half and half. I jogged the bitter to make. Tell you what, jogged the bitter, it might look cheap and nasty and stuff, but see, oh, it's really good. So I'm going to roughly put half the pack into this. Probably about that. Okay, just rough stuff. Is it? Maybe. Not a wee bit. Not a wee tad. Right, so let's just put hop pellets. Cascade hop pellets. Right. Into the bag. Leave a plenty of space for it all to swell up. Tie a knot. Single knot. Dump it in. Submerge. So it's all in the liquid. Spoon out. Lid on. Let me just light the underside of the lid with some Star Sand in case the head comes up. It's not my usual bucket actually, so it could foam up like that. There you go. How long was that? How long's the video? 18 minutes. Preparation with some bits and bobs of water and the tub in there. 20, 25, half an hour at most. Half an hour at the most, and we've got 35 to 40 pints of beer, which is destined for the keg. It's destined for the kegerator. So there you go. I'm going to bottle my cider next. That's next. That's the bucket I usually use. You get plenty of headspace for beer, you know. But cider's in there yet. Right, that's it. That's it for this one. See you again soon. This is a Hoppy Hippie Homebrew. Signing out.